Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Cartier haul, and so yeah, let's get into it. I was able to go to the store the other day and it was definitely an interesting experience. We ended up working with Janier, who was super helpful, and then we also worked with Andrew, who was semi-helpful as well. So anyways, let me show you guys what's in this bag. So I'm going to show you what's in this box first, and then I'll show you what's in the bag. So let's get into it. So when you open this box, it looks quite large, but what's inside it is not really that big. Okay, so what this is the basically perfume case. I think that's what it's called. It's like just like a perfume case. So if you see, it looks like this. It's very sleek, very pretty. I like that it's gold and it's mirrored, so I think that's really nice. But then this goes in it, or this goes with it. Then what this is the Oud and Santal fragrance. Or yeah, Oud and Santal fragrance. So in here, there's two. So basically, it has like a little place where it shows you the instructions on how to do it. And it looks like this. And so I just thought this perfume looked so nice. I loved this little gold case, and it's interchangeable. So you can change out the different perfumes because this is the actual perfume. And so this is just like the perfume case. And yeah, I just thought this was a really, I mean, it smells really good for one, but I thought this was a really cute thing that they had over at Cartier. Now they have the full-size bottles of the perfume, but I think this looks a lot sleeker and nicer. And the perfume that I have in here, they have like a whole section of like oud scents, and then they have more floral, cleaner, sweeter scents. But I thought this smelled, I don't know, more unique than the rose scents or stuff like that. Other than this and this, which I'm gonna put back in this box, but it is nice that it comes with two different perfumes. So like it comes with a refill, and then it comes with like an actual like perfume. So I think that's really nice. So then in this bag right here, there's a couple really pretty things, and I didn't want to open this without filming the video first, because specifically for this right here, I just love that wax mold on here. So I wanted to like unbox it first on camera before I had to mess up the packaging. And that's so cute. Look at that. I love that. It's so nice. Anyways. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna open this one first. I don't know how to, this is tied in a pretty tight knot. Oh my goodness. Okay. Isn't that cute, the way they wrap this? That was really nice. Huh. So this right here is a card holder, and it's in this really pretty blue color. The other card holder that I have, I've had for probably 10 years, and it is on its last leg, and I have quite a lot of cards. So I think this just looked like it would fit a heck of a lot more. And then it has the zipper here that I also like as well. And I just felt like this would be a lot sleeker than the Urban Outfitters one that I've had since I was at the University of Kentucky. So yeah, that's what this one is. The color of this is also just absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's get back to opening this. You know, I feel so bad for having to like break the wax seal because I thought it looked so nice. Look at this gorgeous ring. Oh my gosh. I might see if I can do a better close-up in a different frame so you guys can see just how pretty this is. So, okay, how did I take this off? This is a love ring in pave white gold, and it just looks so pretty. Like, can you even look how pretty that is? And it fits on a couple of different fingers, which is nice. But I've wanted this specific type of love ring for quite a while. I think this is probably better than getting the actual bracelet because from what I've heard, the bracelet like has a lot of things that can happen with that. Like it'll break or people will lose half of it, or I've just heard like a lot of like horror stories in regards to the love bracelet. So I thought this would be really, really pretty, and I just absolutely love this. I think it's super, super pretty. Anyways, so I think the last thing I'm going to show you guys was something that one of the sales associates tried to tell us that they couldn't get. And then when we went upstairs to look at the perfume, Jocelyn was like, I got you. And I thought, how nice is that? Like, he was so helpful and so sweet. And it's just really interesting how, like, you know, the different like vibes you can get from different sales associates. Because once we started like to work with Jocelyn, I felt like he was a lot more kind of like friendly, you know, and he was just like, oh yeah, it's nothing. I'll get you. I get you. I got you. So after we looked at the perfume, because that was his department, and after like we picked it out, he gave me one of these cute bottles of champagne, like the mini bottle. And I thought that was so nice. Look who magically found, somebody magically found a small bottle of champagne. Anyways, I thought it was nice because I do plan on opening this bottle on my birthday, which is on Tuesday. And so, yeah, I'm really excited about this. And I just love how cute this little mini bottle is. I think this is so, so cute. So anyways, that is my Cartier haul. And I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.